is the legal environment? Legal environment is the set of rules and regulations to be abiding by the law, stimulating and surrounding the business, and also it refers to the code of conduct that defines the legal boundaries for business activities. What is meant by diversity management? Diversity management is the deliberate effort made by the leaders of an organization to hire diverse talent and support an exclusive workplace that values and protects each of its employees equally by grouping resources to learn from, connect with, and respect individual differences.
What are diversity management strategies? Having diverse workplace can help improvement productivity and create synergetic environment. The combination of different cultures, experience, and ideas can enhance the workplace environment and help drive creativity. Management must adopt creative strategies effectively handle workplace diversity. There are two types of strategic management. Number one is the hiring process. Hiring process is an important component of strategic management plan. A company's leaving policy should incorporate federal equal employment opportunity guidelines. The second is education. Education is an effective strategy to incorporate diversity training in the workplace, and there are many companies provide speakers and corporate presentation on diversity and training. It's just a part of all strategy and points covered during the training should be reinforced office policy and procedure missions, statements, and core values should also reflect a company diversity strategy. What are 5 laws that protect diversity in the workplace? Here's the 5 laws that protect diversity in the workplace. Number one is Equal Pay Act. One of the earliest laws protected by Equal Employment Opportunity Commission was the Equal Pay Act of 1963, which made it illegal to pay men and women different wages for the same work. Number two, the Civil Rights Act. The Civil Rights Act of 1964, making it illegal to discriminate against anyone due to their sex, race, national origin, religion, or sexual orientation. Number 3. Pregnancy Discrimination Act. Pregnancy Discrimination Act in 1978, which not only protect from discrimination against pregnant women, but anything related to childbirth or similar medical conditions. Number 4. The Age Discrimination and Employment Act. Older worker may also be discriminated against, and since the average age of medical laboratory technicians and technology, a law that is important to the modern laboratory due to the number of working nearing retirement and is the Age Discrimination and Employment Act 1967, which also enforced by Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. And the 5 is Vocational Rehabilitation and American with Disabilities Act. I don't know if I have this right here in the Philippines. Vocational Rehabilitation and American with Disabilities Act. With an aging workforce comes general increase in disabilities, a group that is protected by Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, title of the American with Disabilities Act 1990, enforced by the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, protecting mentally and physically disabled workers against discrimination with regards to the applicant's process, hiring, promoting, setting wages, and other details.
What are the 5 kinds of employees law? The 5 kinds of employments, namely civil right law, family and medical leaves law, workers' compensation law, labor relation law, workplace safety law. It helps regulates the relationship between employers and employees. Who is the responsible of diversity and inclusion in the workplace? According to the Society for the Human Resources Management Survey, the Human Resources Department is in charge of diversity and inclusion in the workplace more than any other group or individuals. HR oversee diversity efforts in 59% of organizations, and 64% is tasked with implementing diversity initiatives.
What are the 3 types of arguments in favor of diversity management? First, diversity is a reality here to stay. The pool of current and future employees is becoming more diverse and business have no choice but to adapt to this new reality. Second, diversity management is the right thing to do. Companies have an obligation to promote social justice and implement principles of compensatory justice through their policies and programs. And the third one, diversity makes good business sense. Diversity management can give companies a competitive advantage.